Gargling with turmeric and salt to support a healthy throat and protect the body's natural defenses is a fairly traditional practice in many Ayurvedic households. Inspired by this tradition, we developed Turmeric Tonic, a bitter and slightly salty herbal mix designed to strengthen a healthy immune system and support a healthy throat. For centuries, gargling has been used for neck, jaw, eye, throat, gum, teeth, and sinus issues, and is considered an essential step in any dental hygiene routine. It helps clear the mouth and throat of any toxins that cannot be reached during brushing or flossing. Turmeric tonic also doubles as a concentrated wellness shot for potent delivery of Ayurvedic herbs. Turmeric works to strengthen a healthy immune system. Ginger and Vedanga kindle the digestive fire and burn natural toxins. Pippali strengthens the respiratory tract, and natural mineral salt makes this formula especially effective as a gargle. To use, steep a fourth teaspoon of the herbal mixture in 2 ounces of hot water and let it steep until it's warm enough to drink comfortably. From there, we recommend 2 primary ways to use turmeric tonic. The best is to do both. First, place a small amount of liquid in the mouth and gargle for 30 seconds, then spit it out. Second, drink turmeric tonic as a wellness shot. This can be done immediately after or instead of gargling. If you decide to gargle first, gargle with half of the formula, spit it out, and drink what you don't gargle. You do not want to drink what you gargle. Keeping the throat healthy and comfortable has resounding benefits for the health of the immune system. Take this immune-boosting elixir anytime to maintain overall health or anytime you want extra support.